Are we going to try to that one spot first?
Huh?
Are we trying to go to that one spot first or over there first?
Well, let's go straight to that spot. I don't want to take a chance and pop a freaking tire again.
I think we did that in the field over there where the dry grass was. Because when we were over here, we were fine. I think the problem was we rode across the field that one time.
Might have been, I don't know. Let's go to the spot first. Then let us come back over here if we have time. This thing runs way better.
Yeah.
It's consistent.
I think I filled it up a little bit too much.
That's fine. Get over there.
Hell nah. And there's hella people.
I know.
Huh?
Damn, I can't tilt it.
What?
Every time I tilt it, it wants to spill out.
God damn. So now what? Back to the old spot, I guess?
Yeah.
That was smart. Because I should have did that with that other stick and that rock back there. Because every time I roll through here, I hit it with my foot and it hurt. You know what? Now that you did that, I'm gonna go move the other one, the little rock, so I can mop through here without having to worry about it. I came over here the other day and I hit it with my foot, bro. That shit hurt.
The kids must be doing that.
Oh, yeah. 100%.
That guy going underneath that bridge?
What?
While going underneath the bridge?
If it's not wet.
That one?
If it's not wet. Oh, it's wet. Hey, that was kind of fun though. That little hoe. Mud all in my fucking bro. That shit went all in my eyes. Woo! God damn. What?
Crazy.
What?
I said it's crazy how it has stairs that don't.
Oh, I know.
This must be a deep. When it floods.
Who knows? You see all of our tracks from yesterday. Which way are you going? This way?
Yeah.
Loop around? Just avoid the pothole.
Oh.
Just avoid the pothole. Hey, this was the holy hit. What the? Yeah! It was fun when we went underneath the fucking bridge. I don't know, I kind of want to go under the bridge again. It was kind of fun.
Under the bridge?
I'm down, go down over there. And... Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Not watching the face.
pit my course and lost. Go all the way across under the bridge, keep going.
I was like, dude, if we're going full send, I was like, let's go.
Did you see that slide? Holy shit! Oh shit! Woo! There's a big ass rock right there!
I fucking made it!
Oh shit! Woo! Shit!
Wanted to go faster, but it was like it's had a governor on it.
Really?
Yeah, because I would creep up on you and it'll go.
Woo!